Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and enable OBS Studio Virtual Camera for video calls. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your OBS and make sure that you are on your window. Finally, once you've done that, on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you're going to see this button called Start Virtual Camera right over here. Simply go ahead and click on that. And once you've clicked on that, you are set to go. You can go ahead and open Teams, Zooms, whatever you want, and simply select your virtual camera. There's a couple more things that I would like to tell you about the virtual camera. There's going to be a gear icon on the right hand side. When you're just starting a virtual camera, it's just going to go ahead and share the whole thing. If you want to only share a couple of things, for example, maybe a scene, right? You can simply go ahead and select which scene that you want to go ahead and output, or you could also go to source and go to display capture, or even photos or videos, anything that you want to go ahead and share. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.